Hi friends, today topic I am going to cover like a compilation error and VSAM error written codes. In the COBOL compilation error code, mostly we will seeing these are like a five types of error codes, and one is an I, nothing but information means the written code is I, everything is correct in your program, and you will get like sometime the warning message and written code is like a 4 here. You are trying to assumption were made like a punctuation missing and program may be correct. Punctuation nothing but in if and end if you are missing some end if syntax, then you are getting like a warning messages. And error nothing but error code, written code is a, you are missing some incorrect field name error like end evaluate, you are missing evaluate syntax, and I am missing some end evaluate, I am missing like a end iPhone, I missed a evaluate. At that time you will get like error code. These are like it is not treated as system defined syntaxes, then it will call like error message here. Next one is the written code is a tool, and this is a severe serious error, the program is incorrect here. And next one is the 16 written code is a written code 16 unrecoverable, and this is like unrecoverable error, like a compiler stopped here. No, mostly the logic errors it will get like a 16 error code. These are like five written codes in the COBOL compilation. You want to see all the list of error messages in your program without like a what are the error codes in your system has been defined by using, you can just run this program id division program id nothing but error messages, and these are like a, and environment division, data division and procedure division, go back here without giving these are like a to check like a, what are the error code compilation error messages you are in this system, just to run this program sample program. That's all friend for the COBOL compilation. Next we move like a VSAM error codes. Most of the time you have seen like a, in VSAM file status we have like a three types of we are checking the written codes. One is the written code here, and the length, how to check the length of the written code. S9 of 4 com means it is a fixed size by 2 bytes it will occupy. This is a standard format like it when what type of the any type of the field you want, if you want to check the length of the field means just give S904 comp, that is called like 2 bytes to check the length of the bytes. Here while giving you can able to see the file status having three types: written code and function code and feedback code. You can able to see like what are the written code in VSAM and what is the function code valid values. Then we can able to see the what is the feedback VSAM feedback codes. These are like a file status codes in VSAM. While these are like some while writing any of the program by using file status code also we can able to write the logic. Here mostly like can able to see 0 means successful. I will tell like only the some important what is the error code while using the in the program program writing the any logic of the program I have seen. 10 we can use like at the end of file, and 22 nothing but invalid duplicate key. This is a duplicate key for 22. Even sometimes the interview asks like what is the file status code 10, 22, and you can tell like a 22 is a duplicate key and 23 is nothing but record not found. Mostly we'll use like 92 is a logic error. Only these are type of file status code we'll ask in interview. You can able to go other error code you can able for reference. And next like we have seen like a file status code. Next another one we have written codes. I told that in VSAM we while writing any file status code we will checking written code, function code, feedback code. These are like a file status code, and next we move like a first one is the written code values. What are the written code values? These are like a valid values of written code in VSAM. Most of the time we are using 4 successful, and written code is 0 successful, 4 another request active, it does not apply for the COBOL, and 8 is logic error. This is logic error is only for the function written code value in the VSAM, and 12 is a physical error. These are like a function code you can able to see. These are the written codes, Next we move like another one is the function code, and these are like function code values, and what is an each type of function code, what is an value for the corresponding status 0 1 2 3 4 5, and what is the mean one. You can able to see all the, we are using only function code having only 6 values starting from 0 to 5. And now we finish the function code. Next like a feedback code, return code, function code, and feedback code. These are like nothing but feedback codes. In VSAM we have like a feedback codes, and yeah, these are like overview of the, these are like I'm mentioning these are like all types of feedback codes here. You can able to see the, please go through these feedback codes. I am placing the position in the camera and the written course. You can pause this video and then you can go like each and every written code value. There are many written code values, but we will use only these are like a minimum error code values, but for the I am giving overview for the all general written code values. But these are error code we will not using most of the time, but just for reference you can go through these written code values. That's all friends. Just it is a small topic. I want to present like a what are the written code values is there in the system. Thank you all.